today we're gonna be painting and cutting some kitchen cabinet toe kicks, like them nice and thick. So we're just gonna paint these up, give these a couple of coats. Then we'll, once they're coated up, cut them. I already marked them in place, so they should fit. Just gotta put them on. So we'll paint these up, and after that, let them dry. Give them another coat. I'm using the Valspar 2000 paint primer, semi-gloss white. So we'll paint these up and cut them up and put them on. Alright guys, got all this painted up. I cut them down, painted up. Now we're going to get ready to install. We're going to install them down at the bottom there. All down the bottom there. On the bottom under the cabinets, that's where those installs are going. I believe the proper word for them is toe kicks. You got the air compressor set up and ready. We got our nails in there. Should be an easy job. Should be measured and cut just about right. Yes, sir. I like it. Alright guys, right there, that's how you see it, how it looks from down low. If you can get a good picture of that, good shot of that, that's how it looks down low. So this brings out the little accent of the cabinets. Now, this part right here, I'm gonna put I gotta finish the border. I'm gonna have the baseboard come from there all the way over, and it's gonna go all the way over here, and then also by the closet, and I'm gonna also put a piece of baseboard there. just to finish it up. Alright, now today I'm going to be stopping a little bit early.